That's what a drop makes. How can a drop bring change? It can make things move, from the ocean to the cities. The drop adapts. The drop becomes everything, goes everywhere. The drop is fluid. It can be a dancer, a player, a wide or a wise one. Any color, any shape. The drop is anything you want it to make. Together, the drops become strong. The drops become a tide. That's what a drop makes. At Maurice Lacroix, we believe that a drop can bring deep change. We believe in this amazing shifting tide. We think and design products for today's generations. And with all of them, we want to act now. Let's make this time your time. Let's contribute with heart. Join the tide. Our time is now.
Good afternoon and welcome to our manufacturer. My name is Stéphane Vaser, I'm the Managing Director of Maurice Lacroix. And today we have a very exciting launch to present to you. Aikon stands for high wear comfort, timing precision, high Swiss-made quality, and overall it stands for high perceived value. Be prepared to be dazzled. Maurice Lacroix is presenting one of its funkiest, brightest collections in eye-popping colors. Aikon Tide is made to be noticed. And the best part of it, we're making the oceans a bit cleaner. Aikon Tide is cool with a conscience. So why do we call it Aikon Tide? Today I have the pleasure to welcome Thomas Schöri, founder and captain of Tide Ocean Company. Welcome, Thomas.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us a bit more about your company?
Yes, of course, with a big pleasure. We're Tide. We're a company based in Switzerland, but taking global actions in fighting plastic pollution. We give ocean waste a value. Did you know that every year 359 million tons of plastic have been produced, and only 10% of that plastic gets recycled? This means more than 300 million tons of plastic remain somewhere, and this is causing the problem you can see daily in the news. So we have developed a special supply chain and a special process to give that waste a value and involve the local people with social impact. We have developed with the Swiss University of Applied Science a special mechanical process to bring that plastic waste into virgin quality. By using the Tide material, we can even create a bigger impact besides the environment, but also for the social. We employ local fishermen in rural regions and balance their missing income from fishing with plastic collection. So all in all, we turn a problem into a solution and give waste a value.
Thank you, Thomas, for the explanation. And how does upcycling work?
Yeah, we actually call it upcycling because we bring it back to virgin quality level. So how does it work when the fisherman arrives with the boat to the pier? He brings the bottles to the recycling center where we do a first pre-sorting of the material. So once this selection is done, we are washing the bottles and we're shredding the bottles into flakes. And starting from the flakes, we're able to do the upcycling process. So the flakes arrive then in our upcycling facility where we transform the flakes into small little granules, which then can be injected into a finished product such as the Aikon Tide Watch.
Are you ready to discover a burst of color and energy? Let's discover the latest Maurice Lacroix drop. Let's discover the new Aikon Tide collection.
Wow, once again, a great film, a great product, very excited, beautiful. Tell us more about it.
Thank you, Marcel. And to be honest, I'm very excited to finally reveal this product to the watch world and to Maurice Lacroix fans. When we developed the Aikon Tide, we wanted this product to be unisex for all genders. Therefore, we've decided to offer a 40mm case to the product.
Perfect size.
The watch is powered by a quartz movement, offering hours, minutes, jumping seconds, and date indication. Then it's an icon. So obviously we have kept all the attributes of the icon with the signature 6 claws all around the bezel, the flat sapphire crystal, and the screwed chrome. The dial features a very nice pattern called the Jura waves to remind the ocean that is the origin of the material. And we have a screwed case back offering a 100-meter water resistance to the watch. Among the 10 models, we offer 2 different kinds of dials, 4 dials with diamond on the indexes and 6 dials without the diamonds. And we combine the watch with a high-quality FKM rubber strap.
High-quality rubber strap. The rest is done of this upcycled ocean material. Which part exactly?
The bezel, the case, the crown, the end piece that makes the connection between the case and the rubber strap, and the buckle. The watch is 55 grams in total, and 22 grams are made of this Tide material.
So tell us more about this Tide material. What is really the specific features of this material?
Tide is actually an ocean-bound upcycled plastic combined with some glass fiber to make it more robust, more dense, more resistant. Actually, the Tide material is 2 times harder and 5 times more resistant than a normal and standard plastic.
Yeah.
So it makes the watch much more resistant to scratches and to shocks.
Great to hear. So for the Aikon collections, you usually have easy change system. Do you apply this here as well?
What do you think? It's an icon.
Fantastic.
We had to do it.
Great.
So yes, and we are currently working on the development of a 5-links bracelet made of Tide material.
So more to come. I'm looking forward to it. Really fantastic product. I'm really keen on seeing it.
Marcel, if I remember well, when we started the development of this project, you and your team, you were asking to push the development to the limits and to offer a special packaging to the Aikon Tide.
Absolutely. And I think what you did with your team was really great. And I'm looking forward now to show you what's in this box. Recycled material?
Indeed.
Great. So we open here. We have here the warranty card in the same color.
What warranty do we offer to this watch?
Usually we have a 2 years warranty, but on this product it's a 5-year warranty.
That's great.
Look at this bag, beautiful. You can take this to the beach. Let's open here. Wow, look at that. So we have here the muck, beautiful muck. Cool. Let's open that. The watch inside, same color, and a display. So we can put this on the table as well. Beautiful, well done. A lot of Tide material. So what does it mean? How many bottles do we use here?
So when you buy an Aikon Tide, together with the watch and the packaging, you will contribute to collect 17 bottles into the ocean.
It's fantastic. Great product, great development, exactly what we wanted from a sales side.
But now the most important question, when and where can we find this Aikon Tide?
So the watches are available actually from now on in 65 countries in the most important retailers, as well as some specific shops, which supports this kind of project, and we are looking forward to really present it to you.
So Marcel, today we have a collection of 10 references, 10 different colors. So what is your choice? What is your pick?
Good, I took the orange version because it's my favorite color, but I was really hesitating. There are so many beautiful colors, the full black, the blue and white, as well as the green, blue. It's so amazing, even the yellow one. So the choice was very tough, but I went for the orange.
And let's discover now what's the choice of Hannah Williams, our friend of the brand.
We've discovered the product, but it's not only about the product. Thanks to this partnership, we will engage and have a key responsibility in making the oceans cleaner. We are really proud of this collaboration. And at Maurice Lacroix, we want to give back.
And this actually we appreciate a lot. We have established a special 10 million bottles concept with Maurice Lacroix, where we even make the impact bigger than just by using the material in the watches. Maurice Lacroix supports us in building us local facilities with main focus in Thailand. The problem is in Thailand consists of hundreds of different islands. And when you collect plastic on each single island, you need to have a certain structure to collect and bring to the recycling center. And thanks to Maurice Lacroix, we're able to build warehouses. They support us with boats, with special long-tail boats to transport the plastic, plus in partnership with the social enterprise, give an educational program to kids and young adults.
Thank you, Thomas, for the partnership and the initiatives. I think together we're making the planet a little bit better. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for your big support to give this problem a value and create a great awareness to all the people out there.
And now a personal message from Lidia Lijic, ML crew member and freediving world champion.
The ocean is not only birthplace of life, it is the lungs and heart of our planet. Biomass of the ocean moves the plankton, which is responsible for the air we breathe and Earth's atmosphere. Our present and future is depending on our oceans, and we have the responsibility to keep it alive for the next generations. Just as the Grand Blue Ocean is made of countless drops where every creature plays its vital role in the ecosystem, we must think about how we can help defend and protect the ocean, and know that every small step counts, and together our effort can make a difference. I wish all the best to Maurice Lacroix team and Stefan for the Aikon project.
Thank you, Lydia, for your message. We have come now at the end of this YouTube premiere. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. The team has put a lot of efforts here to develop the Aikon Tide. As you know, the Aikon Tide is for a new generation that value sustainability, affordability, and notable style. Thank you for joining, and take care, and join the tide.